Yale Smart Living, the smarter way to protect your home. Introducing the Yale ENTR Smart Door Lock. It's secure, simple and keyless. ENTR is the revolutionary smart door lock solution that allows you to control your door lock from your smartphone and other ENTR accessories. The system is ideal for most door types and sizes. It's easy to install on your existing door with no drilling or wiring. And it's battery operated, so it's independent of power or cables. ENTR allows for secure and encrypted wireless communication between a wide choice of credentials, including fingerprint, PIN code, remote control and mobile app. Plus, it has automatic locking. Shut the door and it will automatically lock. This how-to guide will show you how easy it is to install and enjoy this smart door lock in 7 simple steps. Step 1. Measuring the thickness of your door. Before purchase, measure the thickness of your door and ensure the cylinder does not protrude past the external escutcheon more than 3 mm. To be compatible, your door will have to be at least 66 mm thick, including the escutcheon. Further measurements should be taken from the center of the cam to both ends of the unit, to precisely account for the outside and inside cylinder dimensions. Feel free to measure your existing cylinder for comparison. Step 2. Aligning the cylinder with the unit. Remove the current cylinder from the door. If your kit comes without a cylinder, disassemble the unit and disconnect the data cable. Verify that the cylinder is aligned with the knob's rectangle bore. Rotate the knob to the 0 position and insert the cylinder. Then insert and tighten the cylinder's mounting screw. Connect the data cable plug and reassemble the unit. ENTR units are also available with a pre-fitted cylinder. Step 3. Fitting the unit to the door. Insert the cylinder from the interior side of the door and twist the knob to verify that the unit is engaged properly before tightening the cylinder fixing screw. Step 4. Adhere the magnet. Position the magnet on the front panel of the door frame, 20 mm below the cylinder fixing screw. Use the supplied double-sided sticker to adhere the magnet on a clean, dust-free surface. Step 5. Turning the unit on and off. With the door shut, move the switch to the on position. With the knob in the 0 position, the unit is now in operating mode. Step 6. Changing the PIN code and door configuration. Press code. Type in the default PIN code, and once the keypad illuminates, enter your new PIN code. After the green tick indication, re-enter your new PIN code. 2 short bleeps will be emitted, and the new PIN code is set. Make a note of the PIN code and keep it safe. The ENTR lock can be configured for doors opening to the left or right. Press Configure, enter your PIN code once more, and simply hit 1 for doors with the unit on the interior left-hand side and 3 for the right-hand side. After choosing the side of the door, the ENTR unit will configure the cylinder. When the Configure button lights up, slightly open the door, resting the latch against the door frame. Now press Configure. The door will now automatically lock when closed. Step 7. Download and set up the app. The ENTR app is available from the App Store or Google Play. Just search for ENTR. When you've downloaded and launched the app, on the lock, press Add and enter the new PIN code followed by hash and press 2. The tick icon will flash and the lock is now visible on the app via Bluetooth. On the phone, the lock can now be found. Follow the in-app registration process. If any further assistance for the installation is required, please refer to the user manual for a complete configuration guide. The Yale ENTR Smart Door Lock has made your home safe and secure. Part of Yale Smart Living, the smarter way to protect your home.